welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, please click the subscribe button down below and join this amazing YouTube family. Also click the notification bell, okay, so you can get notified anytime I post a new video. So guys, I've been seeing this passion twist hair on YouTube and I decided to try it out. And as you guys can see, it turned out well, like it turned out beautiful. But I'm going to tell you guys, it was not an easy task at all. So many struggles, so many retwisting. Like some of the ones already twisted, I had to, like, you know, loosen them and start twisting them again because I didn't get them right. But finally, towards the end of the hair, I decided to leave most of them alone because I fell in love with, you know, the different coils it has, the different lengths. I feel like that is actually what made it very beautiful, okay? So I decided to leave them like that. Like you guys can see, this one, it's coiling up. Like I didn't get the twist right. I was supposed to retwist it when I'm done with the hair. Like I wanted to finish everything and I'll go in and retwist this. I think I have another one here and maybe one or two at the back, but I decided to leave them like that. I don't know about you guys, but I loved it, so I decided to leave them. So yeah, but I tried my best to show you guys all the tricks, all the tips I used to get it right. And I decided to make the short one because I feel like it's going to be easier to manage, and also it's going to take lesser time, you know, to get the hair done. So without talking too much, let's get into the process, okay? First, I'm going to show you guys everything I used for this hairstyle. I used the Fitress Water Wave in color 2. I used some rubber bands, combs. I used the Shine and Jam gel and hair food. The first thing I did was to apply some of the Shine and Jam gel to the root of my hair. And guys, I already did the back of my hair, okay? I just left out these ones at the front to make this video and show you guys how I was able to achieve this style. I almost ran out of the Shine and Jam gel while making this hair. If you have my type of hair, you're going to understand the struggles that comes with trying to create clean parts. And my secret to getting clean parts is using a lot of Shine and Jam gel on the roots of my hair. So guys, if you don't have enough at home, I would advise you go out there and get a new one before you start making this hair, okay? And don't be afraid to add a lot of it on the root of your hair. I know a lot of gels out there leave white flakes on your hair when it dries out. This gel doesn't do that at all. It doesn't dry out your hair and it doesn't leave white flakes all over your hair. So just use as much as your hair needs. So guys, here I'm trying to part my hair into small boxes, as you guys can see. And I'm using the gel on the root of my hair. I'm also trying to part it on same line with the other side I already did. This is going to make my center part look very clean and well arranged.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner.
I like that this hair is already separated from the pack, guys. It makes your life and your job easier. So all you have to do is just take 2 or 3 pieces and start twisting your hair. I used 2 pieces for each twist, but if you want your twist to be bigger than mine, then you can go ahead and use 3 twists, okay? So I applied the Shine and Jam gel on my natural hair. This is going to help slick down my hair. It's also going to help it blend in very well, okay? So now I went ahead to separate each piece of hair into 2. You can actually make this hair without separating them, but I love to separate mine because it also helps my hair blend in very well. I didn't start out twisting from the root of my hair, guys. I started that like I was making a box braid, like the regular box braid. I did about 2 to 3 braids, then I went ahead to start twisting. Guys, I did this to secure the root of my hair, okay? And after the 2 to 3 braids, I separated my natural hair, as you guys can see, and then I went ahead and started twisting. And I'm showing this in real time, like I didn't fast forward it because I want you guys to see what I'm doing clearly. So guys, I did the regular box braid on the root of my hair just to secure it. Then I went ahead to start twisting.
I just want to look my way and never back to you.
Here I decided to add some gel to the tip of my natural hair. This is going to help it blend in very well. this is what it's going to look like when you're done. So now I'm going to use a scissors to cut it, and then I'm going to go ahead and use a rubber band to hold the tape. So if you didn't get it this first time, just sit down and relax, okay, because I'm going to show this again. So you want to take some gel and add to your natural hair. This is going to help slick your natural hair down. Then you want to go ahead and take 2 pieces of the water wave hair. Remember to separate it, or you can also start twisting without separating it, but I separated mine. Now you want to go ahead and start making the regular box braid on the root of your hair. I made about 2 to 3 box braid. Then I went ahead to separate my natural hair into 2. I added some gel to it, to slick my natural hair down. And then I went ahead to start twisting. So it's so easy, like it's not that difficult to understand. Just do the basic braid, like the box braid on the root of your hair, just to secure it, and then you want to go ahead and start twisting it. This is my first time of doing this hair. So when I started making this hair at the back, I made a couple of mistakes, and I went ahead to retwist most of them, and it took me a lot of time. So I'm going to show you guys one of the ones I did wrong at the front, okay, and what I did to correct it. So guys, I started this one as usual by doing the box braid on the roots. I did about 2 to 3 box braids. Then I went ahead to divide my natural hair into 2, and then I started twisting the hair. And when I finished, I noticed I got it wrong. So I just wanted to show you guys this one, just to show you how it would go wrong and what to do if you get one wrong, okay? So just keep watching. You're going to see it at the end. So guys, I realized that I got it wrong when I finished, as you guys can see. So all I did was to take it down, like lose it and retwist it again, but this time I am twisting it to the left. The first time I did it, I twisted it to the right. So when I loosened the hair, I twisted it to the other side, which is the left, as you guys can see, and everything turned out okay. So if you twist your hair and you get it wrong, all you have to do is lose it and twist it to the other side, and you're going to see it will turn out right, okay? I just want to look my way, never back to you. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and finish this last one now, okay? So if you're still here, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate it. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below and join this amazing YouTube family. Don't forget to like my videos, comment. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section, okay? I'm going to answer your questions, and I'm going to leave everything I used in making this hair in the description box. I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you'll be able to use some of the tricks and tips I showed in this video to make your own passion twist, okay? See you guys in my next video. Bye.